I got a little tip for all you home businesses out there. Just because your products are being made out of a home doesn't mean they have to look like they were made out of a home. What do I mean by that? Presentation is everything. If you want to be charging big bucks like the big dogs, you're gonna have to present your products in a way that makes your customers feel like there's some value there. And one of the easiest ways to do that is with a nice, clean presentation. And one of the keys to that presentation is gonna be with a t-shirt folding device like the HPN FoldFlex. Now this is designed specifically for giving your t-shirts a nice, clean, uniform, folded look, and I'll show you how easy it is to use it. So here's how easy it is to use the HPN FoldFlex. You're gonna place your shirt right at the top. You are gonna fold the bottom hem up so everything's completely on the FoldFlex, and then it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you are done. It's that easy to give all of your orders a consistent, professional presentation. Now, for individual orders, of course, it does help to put it into a nice poly bag. Go ahead and seal that up with a custom sticker, send it off to your customers. They're gonna be very impressed with your professionalism. And then of course, if you're turning in larger orders, adding in a folding service is another way to increase the overall ticket value of that order. And there you have it, giving your t-shirts that premium presentation is as easy as 1, 2, 3 with the HPN FoldFlex, which is available right now at HeatPressNation.com.